It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Tuesday, the 19th of July. I'm James Spann. Get ready for the hottest weather so far this summer, later this week, with potential for triple-digit heat. There's the water vapor satellite view. Big, nasty upper high, developing and expanding. It's centered over Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri, and you can see the ring of fire effect with storms on the periphery of that. There's one MCS over Nebraska as the day begins. We are starting off this day in the 70s. We'll expect a high in the mid-90s in most spots today. North and west of the state, heat advisories, excessive heat watches, excessive heat warnings from Louisiana to Minnesota, Chicago, Des Moines, Minneapolis, St. Paul, St. Louis, Kansas City under those. And we will have a heat advisory here later this week, no doubt about that. In terms of convection, marginal risks, east and north of the state today, we'll see some scattered storms about. Tomorrow, a marginal risk well to the north, and on day 3, which is Thursday, a couple of marginal risks for the Central Plains and the Great Lakes. This is the overall rain for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday morning. Really, today will offer, I think, our best coverage of showers and storms. They'll be scattered every day, but they really start to thin out later this week as the ridge takes over. 1/2 inch for the north, 1 inch for the south on an average basis. Tropics, we can't buy a tropical depression in the Atlantic. The air very dry. So here we go, model fans. The GFS, this is the 06C run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time. You can see the 597 heat ring centered around Tulsa and Wichita. We're kind of on the periphery of that. So again, today will be like yesterday. Partly sunny, hot, humid, and here's the high-res HER, valid this evening at 5 o'clock. We'll have scattered storms around. Chance of any one spot getting one will be about 1 in 4. And like yesterday, where they pop up, they won't move much, probably drifting to the south. Parts of the Birmingham Metro had over 1 inch yesterday from a nearly stationary storm. Tomorrow, we're headed for the upper 90s, and the storms become few in number. Thursday, upper 90s, some spots may be hitting 100. Same thing Friday. It's the highs between probably 98 and 101. And a storm always on a hot summer afternoon is possible, but many spots stay dry. Look at the anomalies. Never want to see those old big red colors on top of us like that. Those are temperatures over 15 degrees above average. And again, that would indeed push us at triple-digit level there. Weather for the weekend's not going to change much. This is Saturday, same thing. I'd say 98 to 101. And Sunday, maybe upper 90s as the ridge begins to weaken slightly. Here's Monday. I do think the opportunity of scattered storms will be increasing next week as the heat ridge weakens a bit, at least where we are, and backs off. The air aloft becomes slightly colder, a little more unstable. This is Tuesday. We've still got that 594 circle on top of us, but at least the heights are down a little bit. And again, that would suggest maybe a few scattered storms. End of the forecast period, July 28th. This is Thursday of next week. Same thing, 594 heat ridge. Not much change. Partly sunny, hot, humid. Maybe a storm in spots. Do you want to look at the numbers? Oh, why not? Now, the GEFS, as we often say, it's been running too hot this year. It's got us at 103 on Thursday. That sounds a little much. The European is more like it. It's got us at 100. And again, I posed the question, can you tell the difference between 100 and 103? But the European has us at 100 on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 99 Sunday. And the number's slowly backing down after that. But here comes that heat. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.